The SecureWatch Web Feature Service, or WFS, allows SecureWatch users to return geographical features and their attributes. Any client making requests that conform to Open Geospatial Consortium WFS specifications can interact with the service. Creating a GET feature request of the WFS is often the beginning of many API users' workflows, for example, as a means to retrieve a list of finished features with corresponding parameters intersecting an area of interest. There are many existing tools, such as Postman, that may be used to construct the API requests, but importantly, these requests can be processed by any HTTP entity, including a web browser. The WFS is continuously expanded with new capabilities to aid customer workflows. To determine the supported feature types available from the WFS, a GET capabilities request may be made. To construct the request, a few items are required. The domain and path for this service is https://securewatch.maxar.com/catalogservice/WFS access. The request must also be specified. The parameters required to complete the GET capabilities request are a service, version, and Connect ID, which is unique to each account. Unless you have been issued a no-auth account, you will also need to enter your username and password to authenticate your request. The default return of this request is an XML document detailing the capabilities of the service. This document may be opened in a variety of applications for easy viewing, including a web browser. Features may also be returned in other formats, such as a JSON file or shapefile. For users that wish to learn what type of imagery is available over an area of interest based on criteria such as cloud cover, off-nadir angle, or sun elevation, a WFS GET feature request is an effective tool for their workflow. For a specified area of interest, this provides the properties and metadata of one or more instances of a feature type. To form the WFS request, the client application must process several important parameters. Keeping the same domain, the request is GET feature. The new parameters to include are a type name, a spatial reference system, and any querying filters. To specify an area of interest, a bounding box must be denoted. This may be its own parameter, which will return all features within the bounding box, but if any querying filters are used, the bounding box must be listed as part of the CQL terms. The bounding box coordinates should be listed in pairs based on the spatial reference system denoted. The different feature types in the SecureWatch WFS that are available are easily found with the GET capabilities request. Some supporting information is also available in the SecureWatch user documentation. The finished feature type is most commonly used. Common Query Language, or CQL filters, can help narrow the search by specifying terms such as maximum cloud cover, acquisition date, or source satellite. Multiple criteria may be joined with Boolean operators. A properly constructed request will return the information on each feature that intersects the bounding box. From this, users can select which features are of interest to them and use the associated feature IDs to acquire their desired content. To view example WFS calls, download the Postman collection from the SecureWatch GitHub repository, linked in the video description. For more information on the SecureWatch Web Feature Service, including formatting requests or CQL filters, visit the developer guides at securewatchdocs.maxar.com.